I like it!
Okay, now pull this. Tingnan mo kung what happens if you pull the rod. Pull this. Yes. Yeah, pull that. Pull it, pull it, pull.
Hi everybody! My name is Matthew Damian Elagchongson. Today, we're going to learn about electricity with this. Now, we need rods and these things for
And what's this called?
alarm clock.
It's an alarm clock.
The white thing called
Oh, these are
electricity
wires.
wires. Don't touch it once it's different, otherwise you burned.
Yeah, don't touch it. Otherwise, you'll get electrocuted. Okay, what are we gonna use?
Fruits.
Fruits. Potato.
Potato.
Tomato.
Tomato.
And what's this? Mango.
Mango.
And
Lemon.
lemon.
So sweet. So sweet. Mommy is going to help me.
What am I gonna do? Help you cut
The fruits.
Okay. For our
Electricity experiment.
Okay, so let's cut the fruits.
Yes.
Alright.
Hi everybody. We're going to cut the fruit now in tomato.
Potato.
Potato. Wow.
Potato. First, let's put this in right here.
So hard.
So hard.
I can't even dip it. I use duct tape.
Duct tape? Why are we using duct tape? That's so funny, Matthew. Okay. Done. Okay, Matthew. Put the fork here. Like that.
What?
Tusok mo yung fork.
Tusok?
Like this.
Okay. I got it.
And then you put this there. Hold it. Tusok mo yan. The fork is too big. Good job, Matthew. Is the clock working? Can you see if the clock is working? Can you show them? Can you show them?
Black.
Look, look, look. The clock is working.
How can we use this when I'm sleepy?
Huh?
And let's use it when I'm sleepy.
Okay.
I
on.
will.
Come here, come here. Sit down.
I like it.
Okay, now pull this. Tingnan mo kung what happens if you pull the rod. Pull
Pull
this. Yes. Yeah, pull that. Pull it, pull it, pull. Look! It disappears!
How about this next?
Okay. Oh, wala na rin. Okay. Let's test the other fruit.
Hi
Hi kids! Are you wondering how it works? Basically, the fruit acts like a battery, powering the clock. The fork acts as a positive electrode. The zinc plates act as the negative electrode, while the fruit or vegetable act as an electrolyte similar to a battery. When the fork and zinc plates are inserted to the fruit, they create a circuit. A circuit! The acidic nature of the fruit causes a chemical reaction to the zinc plate and fork, releasing the tiny electrons. These electrons flow from the zinc plates to the circuit, generating electricity and powering the clock.
Hi everybody, this is the end. And stay healthy and rise up. And subscribe for more videos for Matthew Chuba TV. Bye!